In today's video, I'm going to show you how to adjust playback speed in VLC Media Player. So first, open up your video in VLC Media Player, then go to the top menu and click Playback. Now here, hover your mouse on speed, and from here you can choose options like faster, faster fine, normal speed, slower fine, and slower. For a quicker method, you can use keyboard shortcuts. Simply press the plus key to speed up or your minus key on your keyboard to slow down your video instantly. And you can also press shift plus right arrow to increase speed. And of course, if you want to decrease the speed, all you have to do is press shift plus left arrow on your keyboard. Just adjust the playback speed until it feels just right. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!